first awards we're going to start with are what are called purchase awards. Those are people that agree to purchase a painting before the general reception opens. Now we go to patron awards, and these are awards that are given by community members who simply want to be able to choose a painting or an artist of their choice. Steve Andrews donated money for a Body of Work prize. Minimum number of pieces to be eligible for the Body of Work prize was 3 paintings. And this year our juror chose that. It goes to Steve Harris. We'll do People's Choice for the quick draw. Joe Caulfield. Third place, which is sponsored by John and Willie Miller of Willie's Antiques, is a $200 award, and it goes to Steve Harris for Pumpkin Market. Second place is sponsored by the Florence Citizen and Bob Wood, who is a founding member of the Arts Council. It is a $300 prize. It goes to Colleen Bobanek for Tecolote Canyon. First place winner, sponsored by Larry and Burl Baker, in the amount of $500, goes to Tom Lockhart for Sandstone and Pinion.